Hey everybody, it's Mark again, and this movement has been running just fine for the past week, and it's time to put it back into the case, and so that's what I'm going to do now. It's that Junghans 1917 German clock that I bought off of Goodwill. That was a pickup only item that I talked them into shipping it to me. I was the only bidder. It cost me a total of $24.95. And here we got the movement back in the clock. I still don't know quite what to do with the dial, so I'm going to ask a question to my group, and hopefully somebody will be able to tell me what to do to it. I do have to adjust the hands just a little bit. And I also have to fix this little pin came off the door that holds the door closed. I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix that. But let me show you the back of it. Remember I was telling you about this part right here. It's actually to silent the clock. You can close that and it'll go through the motions, but it won't make a nice gong chimes. So let me show you the chimes. Kicked in the warning. Quarter of hour. Now I'm going to close this for the half hour and let you hear what it sounds like. And it's probably going to sound like crap. It's not really a good nighttime shut-off system, but I think it was more for shipping purposes than anything else. Went into warning. 3/4 of the hour. I think that was 3/4 of the hour. It might have been. the hammers. I think it's pretty cool how those three small wires lift up those three gong levers for the strike on the hour. There's another clock like this. I take that back. There's another clock similar to this on Goodwill right now, but it does not have the speed adjustment. Again, this is for the speed adjustment to lift and lower the pendulum in case your clock is running too fast or too slow, and it doesn't have the nighttime shut-off section. So I know the other part that I showed you is for shipping, since this is the nighttime shut-off selection. And remember, there's a wire that catches the fly to prevent it from continuing the chimes. But I hope y'all like this video. I finally got it up and running. I still need to, like I said, fix this piece of metal here that fell off, and try to epoxy it. If not, I'm going to try my luck at soldering. But with soldering, I got this glass, and I don't want to tear up the glass. I still need to clean up the glass. But you know what? For $24.95, I've been wanting a clock like this for a very long time, and I finally got it. Thank God. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please leave me comments. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And God bless each and every one of you.